welcome back to my channel. So today's Monday. We are going to Mall of Africa. We're gonna go get some clothes, maybe have some lunch, and then we need to get acetone at Leroy Merlin. So that's what we're gonna do after that. But yeah, I'm just gonna do something with my hair quickly, and then we'll be off. I could totally leave it down. I like the look of this. Then again, I like an updo too. Should I leave it down? I think up is good. Up. Let's see. So this is the do. I'll show you the fit just now. It's actually pretty basic. I wear it all the time. Let's get something on my lips. So I'm just gonna put some of my Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream on. I'm gonna go have something to eat, and then we're gonna leave in about 30 minutes or so. I could do with some earrings. I love these. These are my favorite. You're so pretty. Okay, so we're just doing earrings because the necklace that I was gonna wear, it broke. It literally just broke. And I don't have gold anything, really. I have a lot of rose gold. And if I were to switch my earrings out, I'm not gonna do that, so. And I can't do silver because that's such a stark difference. It's so... yeah, no. So we're just gonna roll with the punches here. Just the earrings, nothing else. Maybe this bracelet I got in China. It's kind of like a bronzy color, but it's super pretty. It's got white, but nah.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hi everyone, so we just made it to the mall. We're on our way to H&M right now. Actually we should probably meet up with my sister first. We're gonna do that and then we're gonna go to H&M.
About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we wait.
Say hello, baby. Oh. Hello, my baby. This is my baby. We met him at the mall. You got a bag.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
So we are back home. We got back about 2 hours ago. If you want to see everything that I got a pair of pants and some tops today, but I've shown you some of the stuff that I got from Cotton On and all that. I didn't show you, oh, I showed you the shoes too. So I will have a haul where I try everything on and I show you everything in more detail. So if you want to see that, it'll be coming. But yeah, tonight we have a family meeting. The president's going to address us. I think we're going to get a stricter lockdown, like rules, because yeah, the cases are getting out of hand and it's becoming serious again. We're in the second wave, I believe. So yeah, we're not going to do much else today besides have that meeting. So I will pick up again tomorrow. Maybe that'll be another vlog. But yeah, tomorrow I have to go get some stuff from Discam. Okay, so I'm gonna close out today's vlog here. I will see you guys tomorrow.
But I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
Hi guys, so it's the next day. We're in Madrand again this week. We're here. We're gonna go to the mall again, but we came to come see my sister's place because she got a new rug and a new couch. You want baby? Baby shark? Okay, baby. Oh, what are they? Like
They're praising boys.
yeah.
Cheese balls.
Whoa, they all say Summer's Kitchen?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, where did she get that?
I don't know, but chili's just amazing, guys.
Okay guys, so we just got home. I just made myself a bowl of noodles, and then Woolworths sells like chicken kebabs, like I think they're barbecue. I just chopped that up and put it in here. It has like the sun-dried tomatoes in it. And then the packet of noodles is this packet. Really hot and spicy. I did try to mild it down with some barbecue sauce but I don't think it worked, so I'm gonna have this now. I will see you guys later. Hi everyone. So I don't have much battery, but I'm gonna make myself breakfast. I'm gonna show you what I make. I'm gonna show you little bits and pieces because my battery is dying. So I'm just gonna show you some of the stuff that I do, but I'll show you the end result, which is what really counts. But yeah, morning. It's the next day. I'm making breakfast at 12. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a burrito. Let's go. Okay, so these are all the ingredients over here. We have some spices, footlong, butter, garlic, onions, cheese, eggs, and some bell peppers and wraps. So I'm gonna whip something up and I'll show you what I have afterwards. Okay, so I'm done eating breakfast now. It's 2 o'clock. I didn't even show you my nails. They're so cute. They're so cute. So festive. Here we go. And then this one's just plain. Love them. Love them.
You're always searching for a better thing. Wanna replace me? I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse and lonely. Cause someone tell me they see good in me. There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Sometimes I wanna risk it all. Since you left me, struggle, baby, I see pain. Cause I got nothing. Cause someone tell me they see good in me. There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah.
Hi everyone. So we went to Checkers and Pick and Pay, and I'm gonna show you everything that we got. Okay, so we got some strawberries. These look so good. These are from Checkers. They're so big. I love that. And then we got this Brutal Fruit Strawberry Rouge Spritzer. I saw them on Jessica's channel. Obviously, I had to get them because I love Jessica. And then we got Jenga. Super excited. Like, so excited to play that. We got some Pin Pops. 2 little cucumbers. Whipped cream from Pick and Pay. Then I got this aloe vera juice. I love it. It's so good. We got a Coke, a Swiss Grenadilla, another Coke, Fanta Orange, and Fanta Pineapple. And then this is from Crazy. My sister got this like hot chocolate milk stick thing. Yeah. Then she bought the baby some stickers because he loves stickers. And then she got him some crayons so he could color in. And then back to Checkers, my mom got this perfume. I think it was like $140. And then they had a promotion, 3 for something. Can't remember. But we have 2 clear apples, 1 breakfast punch, 1 summer pine, and 1 berry blaze, and 1 orange. And then at Pick and Pay, right? I've been collecting these limited edition festive chocolate bars. So I already have the butterscotch and almond one. And so these are the 2 that I needed. And it's actually on promotion. So each one retails for $30, but I got money off and I paid $26 for both of them. So I'm super excited. I bought them not to eat them, just to have them. But if I get more, then we'll eat those and we'll still have these. We got some mini Snickers, 3 trays of these chicken thighs and drumsticks. And then we picked up these pretzels. So in the little tub where they were, there was no price. So when we went to go pay, we didn't really check. And it turns out that one of these retails for $28. That is ridiculous. I would never in my life pay for that. But we got the strawberry flavor and the chocolate flavor, so we're gonna taste those. And they better taste amazing, like life-changing. But yeah.